This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Matt Wood. Whitestation Area. Stunning updates within the last 5 years. Kitchen cabinets with soft close doors and drawers. Granite countertops. Tile floors. Stainless steel appliances and lighting. Gas cooking. Side-by-side refrigerator. Updated bathroom vanities. 2 master bedrooms / 2 MD master can be used as bonus room. Hardwood floors. Covered patio. Carport and additional parking pad. Iron gates. Storage room. Approval of rental app and credit report, 625 or above. Deposit required equal to 1 month's rent. No smoking. For more information, review the details below or contact Matt.